Hello everyone. So this is just a quick tutorial on how I was able to troubleshoot my issue. So let me give you a context. I'm using NextJS and I uploaded through AWS Amplify. So this is my first time using this service, and I was able to successfully deploy it, and I can access it here on my browser. But the problem is I'm using multi-tenancy. So here's a simple logic of my middleware. So in my middleware, ignore everything here because I was troubleshooting. I just grabbed the mic and record this one. So you see here, there's like a subdomain somewhere. Where's that? So here, subdomain. So what I did is if, for example, I get the host name, right? I get from the request headers host. And then I split it according to the dot symbol, and I get the first index. So what that means is, for example, if I have app.example.com, I will grab app. So that will be the subdomain. And if the subdomain is app, I'll do some logic. If the subdomain is www, I do some logic. And if it's not those two, I do something else. It's very simple, right? But the problem is host name. I was having a hard time getting the host name. So if you go back to in this page, host name is localhost 3000. That's okay. But when I go to my Amplify, host name is a different thing. It says prod US East 1 Gateway Amplify AWS. It's not it. So I tried using URL. I think URL is just request.next URL. It's not it either. It's telling me that this app.heypaso.com is localhost 3000, and I tried a lot of things, right? But finally I decided to like console.log the whole request object. So this is what it looks like. Let me just go write that down now. So it's compiled. Let's go to my development and go to the console. Oh no, here. Oh wait, yeah, it's here. It's not in the browser, but it's here. So I get a lot of I get an object from that request. So um, I was able to look through the request object and got this particular property. I forgot what it is, but it's called where's that? X forwarded host. So that's what I was. This is it. So this was the property from the request object that I need. So it says here localhost 3000. I don't know if there are better ways to do this, but I think I was able to figure that out because when I do, like, for example, app that localhost, it should now tell me that the forwarded host is now app.localhost. So this is what I need. I need the actual URL, not some reverse proxied URL that was provided by the AWS Amplify service. So I believe AWS Amplify has some services packaged into it. Like from what I read, it says it uses CloudFront. It could also be using other services, right? Which forwards my actual URL. Forwards it to its own system. I don't know the mechanism behind, but I guess I was able to figure that out here. If you are encountering the same issue using Next.js and AWS Amplify, instead of using this one, request.headers.get, use request.headers.get, and then this particular property, X forwarded host. That's it. Thank you.